Okay, let's take a look at past, present, and future verbs. I gave you this homework. There's 4 pages. 2 have pictures like this with the different verbs, and this has the other verbs. This page, the verbs are past and present verbs only. This page, all the verbs are future tense verbs, which makes it super easy for doing this one. You know which column you're going to need to put these in. So take a look. We have the column past, present, future. Okay, so what we're going to first do is put all of these words in the future column. So you're going to put first one, will see. Second one, will swim. Third one, will drink. Fourth one, will sit. Fifth one, will write. Sixth one, will eat. And another one will drive. And another one will hide. Okay, we'll do these ones. Now, the next step is finding them on the list. So we have this list. So on this page, I've given you all the words you need to fill in the blanks. And I have placed them all together, like finds and found, reads, read, eats, ate, drinks, drank. Okay, so the only thing you have to do is look and find will see, the past and present for will see. So where do we find that? Find it down here, and it's sees, saw. Okay, so then you're gonna write for the present, sees, and for the past, saw. Okay, so always the past, if it's gonna change spellings, it will be the past verb. So you see we have see and we have sees. These two are the same words, but past changes to saw. Okay, so let's take a look at the next one. Let's find them all first. So swim. We have swims, swam. Will drink. We have drinks, drank. Will sit. We have sits, sat. Will write. We have writes, wrote. And will eat, eats, ate. Okay. So for will swim, over here, swims, swam. So which one do you think is present and which one do you think is past? Present verbs often end in S. So which one ends in S? We have swims. So let's put swims. And look, for the past, the word changes spelling. Swam. Okay, now let's look at will drink. We have over here drinks and drank. The one that ends in S is present verb. So drinks. And the other one changes spelling. Drank, drank. So drank, drinks, will drink. Okay? Then we have will sit. Sits, sat. Okay? For the past, which one is changing spellings? It's sat, and the other one ends in S. So we have sits. Okay. Will write. We have writes and wrote. Which one is present? The one ending in S. It's writes. And the other one changes its spelling to wrote. Wrote. Okay, and then the last one I'm going to do with you is eats, ate. Again, there's one that ends in S, which is present verb. That's eats. And the changed word is ate. Okay, so do you see what you're going to do? It's pretty simple once you get the hang of it. So make a neat column and put them in the correct places.